The day was grey. Grey like it always was. Not a speck of sun in the sky. The mood was almost boring. It's a day where basically people are coming to view this house because we're selling the house because we're going to be moving within the next few months. We're trying to find people to buy the house. So yeah, basically I'm waiting for them to arrive because they should be arriving within the next like 5 to 10 minutes, which basically means that I'm gonna have to vacate my house for the new people to come and have a look at the house, so I'm not in the house because it's quite a small house to not cause any problems or any, yeah. I finished watching JJK, I've watched season 1 and season 2, they're both really good actually, I really enjoyed them. I'm waiting for season 3 dub to come out and then I'll watch that. Apart from that, I don't really have any other news. How do you think of this lens? I've been using it a lot more and I do quite like this lens. It is quite big and quite heavy, but I've been getting used to it. I just need to look for a bigger tripod now and perhaps maybe some other form of audio that isn't a shotgun, because I do have these, my Hollyland Lark M1s, but they are a bit of a pain to set up and try and plug into the camera every single time. So it'd be nice if I could get something that I could have like an adapter onto the camera into the hot shoe, like the DJI Mini or just anything along the lines of that. There's no need to rush anything like that because I don't need to spend too much money. What I've currently got is fine. I just need to focus on story, location, and vibe. Good morning, it's currently the 21st of January. Today is going to be a somewhat of a busy day because I have to go take my car to the garage in a minute, which means I'll be without a car for the next 2 to 3 days. But yeah, overall it just means I have to kind of make my own way to D&D on Thursday. Today is currently Wednesday. It's so dark, but it's blue. So, you may be wondering, what is this box I have in my hand right now? Well, you see, it's... if it were open, I would be able to tell you. There we go. So, it's a DJI box. It's just an adapter. It's an adapter, so it will go onto my Sony camera, which means I'll be able to use wireless lav mics on the camera. There's just one thing I have to do now. I now have to basically, with this adapter, I need to get the mic. So I'm trying to decide whether I get the mic 3 or the mic mini. So either get the mic 3 or the mic mini. I'm not too sure which one yet to get, but I have the adapter now just in case I need it. Yeah. So yeah, I'll figure that one out.